my channel. So in today's video we are going to see how to draw abstract drawing of Radha and Krishan ji. So let's get started. First we have to draw a rough sketch of Radha and Krishan ji. Then we have to start our painting. First I am taking peach color. Then I am taking light shade of this color. If you don't have the shadings that I am using here, you can use any fabric color you want. Here I added orange color. Then I am adding here magenta color. Adding yellow and red color for the background. Then I merge this color with flat paint brush. Now we just have to do outline of our elements. Like adding bindi, tika. So yeah, our final painting is ready. Hope you like it. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Okay, bye.